Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again, and in today's video I'm coming to you guys barefaced and beautiful. Also my skin has been like improving, like if I do say so myself, you know, still dealing with some hyperpigmentation like there, but you know what, I can actually live like this and be confident enough to come in front of the camera and chat to you guys. So as you can tell by the thumbnail, I have a little guest on my channel, my sister. For those like Queeneth who has been asking, you know, who's my sister XYZ, Linda is gonna be here today and she's going to be sharing with us her wash day routine, and obviously I'm going to be washing her with my magic hands and putting her hair up in twists. So Linda, she can come up, you can come up Linda. To the rise, Linda comes. There we go. Hi Linda. Okay, Linda is gonna be very awkward, but it's okay. So she has started, when did you start your natural hair journey?
September somewhere.
Yes, so I'm gonna try to link a video up here where I actually shaved off her hair. That's when I shaved off your hair.
No, when I was talking about the razor bumps.
Yeah, that's when I shaved your hair.
You didn't shave.
Oh yeah, her dad did. Yeah, there we go. So when her dad, it was sometime in September, so I feel like it is September now and it's 1 year and you guys are gonna be able to see her hair. She did her braids by herself because she watched my tutorial on my channel. You should probably do the same. I actually don't do like braids on my sisters, they do their own hair because, you know, the sister drops a tutorial, they watch, they learn. Results, you guys see that she did that. All I did was like open the little cubicles for her and then she did all of this, and these are like to the bum long, and she did it in a day in less than about like 4 hours or 5 hours.
No, don't give me that much credit.
Okay,
it was about 8 hours.
Okay, 8 hours, and she did that herself after her wash day. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video.
Let's try that again.
Okay. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's
Yeah, no, screw this. Listen, let's get into today's video.
Hi. Say hi. Turn her. Okay, you don't have to say hi. Just turn her up. Not that
too
fast.
Yeah. Okay, good. Return.
Okay. Let's do your hair.
Okay.
Hold on. Bing. Perfect. And then pull the sides.
Okay.
Here.
Here.
Yeah.
Ciao. Anyways, this is why we're not professionals.
I'll put it against your neck so that you can see. Perfect. And the other side. Perfect. Then you're gonna show them this is what you're going to wash with.
Here, clarifying shampoo. Yes, it should.
And then by native child.
There we go.
Perfect. And then we're gonna mix up these two. For deep conditioning. This is what you're using to dry your hair.
This is it.
Okay, cool, great. First things first, I'm going to make sure that I drench Linda's hair in water. Her hair is very dense, you guys can see. Then I'm going to start off with my clarifying shampoo and then make sure that I really massage her scalp, rinse it off, and move on to the native child moisturizing shampoo like I did. The reason why I'm doubling shampooing is because she's been in a protector style, so I think it's a good time for her to clarify, and I don't think she has clarified since the year begun, but that's okay. That's why she has a sister like me. And then we're going to mix the two deep conditioners. So I did that because I wanted to test what type of deep conditioner Linda's hair like, and she actually, her hair behaved much better with the with the Native Child Deep Conditioner, and this is like her curl pattern. It's very different from mine. I would say she's more of a combination of 3C 4B, but also she has 4C hair, so she's just like a combination of a lot. Okay, so she's going to sit under the hooded dryer for about 30 minutes, and then this is how her hair looks like after we have rinsed it out. You guys can also tell that her hair doesn't really stretch out a lot, but it could also be that she's still in her TWA phase, which is a teeny weeny afro, and I'm going to part her hair using a lot of clips, you know, so that I can be able to see what I'm doing. I'm going to be using the same moisturizing routine I use for myself, which is Hibiscus leave-in conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. Follow that up. I did try something new, which was the why can't I remember this brand name? You know, this orange one, you guys. What? That one. I used that one on her hair just to see how it was going to behave. Her hair actually liked it. So Linda's hair, so far, what I'm seeing is that it likes light products. So it doesn't behave well like when I use sheer butter. And that's literally it, you guys. Alright, y'all. So you guys have seen Linda's wash day routine. I hope you guys liked it. And I think Linda must just tell us, you know, like, what's your moisturizing routine? How many times do you moisturize in a week? Let's start there.
So I moisturize. Give me a second.
Okay.
I just gotta register. I usually moisturize on Wednesdays and Sundays. Okay.
So she moisturizes twice a week. And
yes.
like, which method do you use when you moisturize? Like, do you use water first, or oil first, or cream first?
Oh no, water, oil, water and oil. That's it.
You just use water and oil. You don't use cream on your hair.
No.
Linda doesn't use cream on your hair. I didn't know this. I didn't know she didn't use cream on her hair. Oh, okay. And how many times in a month do you wash your hair?
I wash my hair for 2 weeks, so that would make it
twice a month. So she, at least, you know, her wash day routine is like,
I mean, I'm not that bad. Come on,
she's really not that
I'm not
bad.
in the gutters.
No, she's not.
Please.
And like, how have you been finding your journey? Do you like your natural hair? Do you find confidence like when you want to wear it out? Do you like it?
I don't like having my hair out. Now, it's not oh my gosh, my hair is short. No, there's nothing about that. I just don't like having the hair out. When I have it out, I want to cut it.
Okay.
So I think maybe it's because I'm used to cutting my hair now, and it's because it's so much easier to have my hair in a protective style, whereas when it's out, it's difficult, and it's just like, wow. What's going on?
I know what she experiences. She wakes up and she's sometimes upset that her one side is like flat and the other side is like,
I mean,
up like that.
I go to bed in a bonnet and then I wake up and my hair is a box. Why? I don't understand why ikopani. It doesn't make sense. But other than that, the hair itself is very nice. I think there's a lot of standards that I feel like I have to, you know, rise to when I have my hair out. The one time when I thingied my hair, when I blow dried my hair, and it was big, right? So a lot of people were like, "Ooh, your hair's big," and then when it's small, they're just like,
when it's shrunken. Yeah.
So what happened? What happened?
Yeah, people will think that she actually cut her hair, which is it's a lie.
I mean, I do seem like the type, but I don't. So yeah, that's how I don't really like having my hair out longer than 24 hours. 24 hours max, and I won't be annoyed. Anything more than that, and it's gone. That's due date. It's gotta go.
Okay. I think Linda is like, I don't want to say she's suffering from, because I'm also still going through it. Even me at this length, I don't want my hair out like this. I want it up in twists. I don't like it like this. I'm still learning to be comfortable with my afro, not judging it that, you know, it's only just, you know, this size and it's not like humongous like how social media always makes it seem to be. And if it's not that way, then you have failed the category and you know, you don't qualify to have natural hair. So even me, within like, you know, I've been natural for almost 5 years and I'm still in my natural hair journey. I think that's why they call it a journey, because, you know, you still making okay with some emotions and how sometimes it comes out. Because, you know, not gonna lie, you guys, I think we've all been in a situation whereby, you know, you try out a style, it doesn't come out right, and you literally end up canceling your whole day because of how your hair came out. So I know it can affect us emotionally, But you know what, we soldier on and we try to be there for each other. That's why I actually host lives, and that's why I've started a series on my Instagram that's called Natural Hair Talk series, because natural hair does talk, you guys. So make sure you are tuning in. Next week on Friday I will be having my 3rd Instagram live, so make sure you're there. So make sure you're there. So I'm gonna end it here, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Thank you, Linda, for being here.
I mean,
for being a guest.
I mean, was I not forced to sit here? I'm joking.
What kind of sister are you? Okay, bye guys.
I'm an amazing one.
Bye.